We'll make thorns for cactus with white yarn. The yarn is about 30 centimeters. Cut the yarn and break it into 2 pieces. Wrap it around your fingers. Cut the ends into 5 to 6 cm short yarns. Take one of the short yarns, fold it, and we start to work on every edge of the cactus. Counting up from the bottom, insert hook through the 4th stitch. Pull the folded white yarn through the green loop on hook. White yarn round hook and pull it through the loop on hook. We'll trim the thorn later, let's leave it for now. Continue to work the rest of thorns in the same way. Take a short yarn, fold, and work it in the 4th stitch from the first thorn. Pull the folded white yarn through the green loop on hook, white yarn round hook, and pull it through the loop on hook. Then continue to work the same way. Fold in half. Insert hook through the 4th stitch. Pull the folded white yarn through the green loop on hook, white yarn round hook, and pull it through the loop on hook. Then continue to make thorns in the same way. Make thorns with white yarn on every edge in the same way. After all the thorns are finished, take a red yarn about 30 centimeters and thread the needle with it. Make sure one of the ends is longer than the other like this. Start from a random stitch and come out from the white thorn. Hold the white yarn with your finger and pierce the red yarn through the loop of the white yarn. Then go through the stitch under which the white thorn is made. Then jump to the next white thorn and pierce the needle out. That's how we fix a thorn. Now we continue to work. Pierce the red yarn through the loop of white yarn. Then go through the stitch under which the white thorn is made. Then jump to the next white thorn. Pierce the red yarn through the loop of the white yarn. Then go through the stitch under which the white thorn is made. Then jump to the next white thorn. Then continue to work in the same way. Fix every thorn on every edge in the same way. Tie a knot with the yarn tails. Cut off excess yarn tails and hide the ends inside the fabric. Once they are all fixed, we can trim the white yarns. The white yarns are all fixed, so now we can cut them into 5 mm in length. Fix and cut the rest of the thorns. Then take a 30 cm piece of pink yarn. And then take one strand of it. Fold in half. And thread the needle with it. Set it aside for now. Wrap the other yarn around your fingers for 5 times or so. Pass the needle through the 5 loops. Leave a little tail and pull it through the big loop. Cut the 5 loops on finger and trim the ends to make them neat. Leave about 1 cm. Use the yarn needle to split the ends. Then we sew the pastille on the top of the cactus.